She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to me. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
What's up guys, back with another video today, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to install roof racks. The roof racks are really easy to install. You can do them by yourself, but if you have a person with you to help you out, they can help you. It'll be very helpful, but it can be done with one person. Just use a couple microfiber towels so you don't scratch your paint. This is the Inno Wedge Plus cargo box. The reason why I chose this one is because of that little lip in the back. I was doing research all over the internet and there is nothing like this one. This one's just so low profile. It has a little lip in the back. I honestly couldn't find anyone better than this one, so I chose this one. This is paint matched to my color, oxide bronze, but it does come in matte black. I'll get you guys better footage when it's on the car. Right now it's on the floor. It's kind of hard to show you details, but let's get right into the video. So first step you got to do is you got to make sure which orientation the racks go. So this one goes on the rear, and this specific side goes on the left rear, and this side goes on the left front. This specific side goes on the left front, and that goes on the right front. So the first step you gotta do, you gotta take off this little plug. It's on all four of your doors. This is where your roof racks will go in. So you just get a pocket screwdriver, just pop it out, and this little hole is where the little stud for the roof rack will go. It's on all four doors, so make sure you take all four of them off. If not, it's gonna scrape your paint. You don't want that. Alright guys, so if you don't have anybody to help you, what you can do is just put a microfiber and just put it on this side. You have to put this microfiber because then you will scratch your paint. And there's a hole right here, and you just put it all the way there, and then you just put it in its place, and now it's good right there. And then you go to the other side and do the same thing, and you pull it. Alright, so this is what I'm saying, you need that microfiber. It'll definitely save your life and your paint if you don't have anybody. So then you just take it off carefully, and you pull, and you put it down, and you find the slot, put it in like that. You hold it here, and then you start tightening it. Just tighten it all the way. When you do buy a roof rack, it does come with this Toyota tool. It's a little Allen wrench. I'm pretty sure if you don't have this tool, if you buy it used like I did, luckily enough it did come with a tool. Shout out to Corolla, follow his Instagram. He actually hooked me up fat with these roof racks. It came with the 2 keys and this tool. Huge shout out to Corolla. Frankie's the homie. I'll put his link down in the description for his Instagram. Check him out, follow him. He's a cool dude. He has a clean roller. Make sure you guys check out his page. But anyways guys, so you just continue to tighten this all the way. This is kind of like torque down. As you can see, it has 3 Newton meters. It won't let you go more than that, so this is kind of like your little torque tool too, so you don't have to worry about over tightening it. So once it stops, it stops. Don't go more, because this is a pre-torque tool. So right here it stops and it won't move. Now we go to the other side. So do the same thing on this side. Push it up, get the Allen wrench, and then just start going for it. So that's it right there. It won't go more. Give it a little tug, make sure it won't move, because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want these flying out. And you're good. So then we move on to these covers. I actually painted these gloss black. They actually look really good. They came in this color originally. I kind of didn't like this matte black. I did buy them used, so they were kind of a little bit scratched, not too much, but I wanted to be brand new. I ended up just painting them glossy black. I think it came out really good. I really dig this color, better than this matte black that it was. Actually, right here on the opposite side of the cover, it does show you where to put the cover onto the rack, so super convenient. And then you got to make sure your lock is facing up like that, so it can just slide in and have no problems. But this is super easy to install. So all you got to do is line up these little holes with this, and just slides in like that. Get your key, you turn to the right to lock it. Make sure you don't want to scratch your cover. Turn the right to lock it all the way. It won't go anywhere. That's a simple installation how to install the roof rack and covers. It's really easy. You can do it in like maybe 10-15 minutes on your own. It's not that hard. Just make sure you use that microfiber towel, or you can have someone on the other side just holding it for you, and while you do this side you tighten it and then you do the other side. But just take precautions in not scratching your paint. Let's get that rear roof rack installed. And now comes the hardest part of the job. You definitely have to have two people to put the cargo box on there. There's no way you can really put that cargo box on unless you're the Incredible Hulk and you can pick up that cargo box with one arm and use the other arm to guide it. That's the only way you really will put that box on there. But I highly suggest to have another person just so you won't scratch the box, because it does come in matte black originally, and that matte black scratches so easy. So I can only imagine how the paint will scratch. So just get a person, find your neighbor, find your buddy, find your girlfriend, find your boyfriend, whatever you guys have. Find somebody to help you just for 3 minutes, just to put it on there. And make sure they're kind of strong, because you don't want them to drop that box. Just mess up your dreams and it'll be all bad. But it's just pretty simple. Just center it on there, and from there we go on the next step. Just like that, the box is on top. So you do have to get it there and center it. So I actually found for this box the perfect centering, and you can use the little markings on the roof rack. Let me show you guys that real quick. So I use 5 tick marks in the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just right there at the line is flush. And then also on the other side, 5 tick marks. And in the rear it's actually less, it's 4 tick marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then right at that edge you put it, and that centers the box perfectly, just like that. Centers it perfect. You also have to make sure that your trunk spoiler doesn't hit. I just barely got enough clearance. Check this out, guys. Just barely enough. That's good enough. It's not gonna move from there. I wish my wheel fitment was that close, right? Super low to the ground, but no. Just make sure it doesn't hit. You just move it up front and make sure those tick marks, 4 in the rear, 5 in the front, and you should be good. Alright, so 4 of these come in the box. It's supposed to be flush like that. It's not supposed to be crooked. So it's self-explanatory what you're supposed to do. So you just gotta spin it clockwise and it'll end up going like that. You just kind of sometimes have to move it left and right. So you put it right above the roof rack, like that. I like to go on the bottom and just pre-align it kind of. So right here is pretty flush. Just when I tighten it, it's gonna pinch it down. So I go up here, you're gonna spin this clockwise, all the way you can, while holding it on the bottom side. And just when it's right, you pull this guy back and you snug it on there tight, so you make sure it's going nowhere. So you see right there it's kind of crooked, so I just gotta readjust it, move the base on top till it's flush. So that's pretty flush. I'm pretty happy with that. So now you want to do it to all 4 sides. So I got the other 2 on there perfectly, just how the picture showed. And just as an accessory, This does come with like a little mat just so nothing will rattle, and it does come with some straps that you can put in here, but I'm cool off the straps. I actually fit about 4 luggages in here, and I probably could still fit about 3 more big suitcases. I'm gonna put the dimensions in the description just so you guys know the exact dimensions of what this is. I think I have a picture of it too. If I do have it, I will show it in a bit. It's a super easy installation. Get it done in about an hour with the racks and everything. And these keys do not come out as long as this thing is open, so you don't forget it. Until it's locked is when you can take these keys out. They cannot come out when it's unlocked and open. And it's super easy mechanism. Just closes down and make sure all the clicks are in there, and it comes right out. So what I did to personalize this box exactly, I did paint match it. Oxide bronze, just make sure to get the paint coat on the side of the door jamb. And I also painted the little handle black, the same thing as here, glossy black. And I also painted the little Inno logo black, and I left this thing chrome. Everything was previously chrome, like the handle and this is the other side. I left this chrome here and I just painted the rest black. I painted the other little handle glossy black just to match it with the roof racks. I think it looks gorgeous. I will get you guys a good daytime shot from here. But let me know what you guys think, how roof racks look on the vehicle, how a big old boat looks on the vehicle, this little cargo box. It's not gonna really look good right now because it's dark out, but I will get some good footage in the daytime. So this is how the cargo box looks on the car. Very sleek looking, low profile, holds a lot of cargo. That's one of the main reasons why I got this box. Also because that little spoiler at the end, it matches my spoiler pretty dope. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's plenty more to come. If you guys got this far, just as a little secret, my next video is gonna be
new wheels.
Hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because I can't wait to put those wheels on. I should get them this week. Should have the video out in November. Hope you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching the video. Catch you guys next time.